Introducing the 2014 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.